the imbalance.
This one here?
Yeah.
Because this, I don't want it to come right here, wick above,
Yeah.
but not close above, and then sell off from here.
Why wouldn't you want it to be okay?
Right here, it is resting. So all of these errors, the same.
London closes.
I'd no longer be interested in the trade. So this is a 16 pip target. If we get in here and it gets to this fair value gap and it's not closing with bodies below here, then I'm going to expect a retracement, and that is not good for my trade. So I still retrace.
So you see, like now, let's say you would have entered and you see that it moved in your direction initially, but then it started to go the other way, like with that wick. Would you be thinking about exiting the trade?
No. I'd wait
Okay.
for this candle to close, because if this is a bullish candle that could be an order block, the first thing that it should do is price should close below it. So let's take this off for a second. And so let's say we went short in the very next candle with our stop above that. I think that's it. And we're looking at an expansion here. That becomes my trade plan, right? No, again, for confidence, I'd need to see price close below 1. So it's the next minute. In the next minute, this candle should close bearish. If it opens and trades back inside here, that's a move that you can fade as well for price to get down here.
Yeah.
Your stops are really tight and you're good. Once it gets here, I need it to close below fully. Candle bodies and everything.
Yeah.
And that would give me confidence in my trade idea. Once we close below here and there's no retracements, then my stop goes to break even. But I generally move my stops after breakout structure. So now the candles close bearish. Let's zoom in. So when this is trading higher, I don't want to see it go back above this candle, and I'd sell into that to go lower.
You don't want it to see, sorry, could you?
Because this delivery is already up candle, down candle, and it stops there going for this low. Price is really
great.
We have 4 minutes before the candle closes. As long as we're not closing up here, then that's fine.
Oh, okay.
But for confidence, if it doesn't go up there at all, that's good. If this closes with a wick up here and then the body down here, that's even better.
With a wick up where?
With a wick, like this is the wick and then the body is expanding lower.
Yeah.
But then
that shows liquidity run.
Right. Then factor in the time of day that we're trading in now. Everything becomes slow. You factor in the market condition. DXY is consolidating and allow the
about
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
How much percent increase in an account? Aggressive dollars a day, then I'm higher.
Yeah.
So here is the down candle closing there. You're buying into this candle and it's off to the races. This and then price runs to your targets.
Right from that. It's just right now, I don't know, like I'm trying, but I have the knowledge, but I just don't have like the structure, or it seems like whenever you open up the charts, it's like the charts looks like your own personal ATM where you can just extract that whenever you want. But it seems like when I'm looking for those opportunities, I don't see them like every day. So
what's your routine like?
I mean, my routine is meant to be, well, waking up, the daily charts, daily structure, and where the liquidity targets are. And then
and then there's not much that would have been happening before you than previous days.
okay.
But chart that we're looking at right now, if you remember the analysis, and you'll be able to rewatch it, I was saying that I don't want to see any candles close above this, right? And then if you've noticed, we have price going above, didn't close. This up candle, I mentioned that if it closed up here, the next candle, even if it trades higher, it should be moving lower. So these are some filters based on the structure that I'm seeing right here. I can anticipate what it should look like. So I immediately know if I'm wrong. I'm not always right, but I know what to look for. So even this high right here, this candle, this up candle didn't close above it. And that's perfect. It's also does a whole other thing. So if liquidity is being injected or removed, just push. It's not favorable. Near stops down to the high of this candle.
Yeah.
Because now we have an order block that's created and it's showing signs that price is expanding lower. So now above here, and it's less mental energy for you. Because so far, price has not been moving how we want it to. We're not going to be forcing price to move. We're going to be adjusting. So